Ever dreamt of visiting Europe on a budget? It's a common aspiration, isn't it? To wander through the ancient streets of Rome, to feel the cool breeze of the Swiss Alps, to taste the rich flavors of Spanish tapas. But often we hold back, thinking of the costs. Here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. The notion of budget travel in Europe isn't some far-fetched fantasy. It's real and it's achievable. You can explore the continent's rich tapestry of history, culture, and cuisine without draining your savings. From bustling cities with their vibrant nightlife to quaint villages steeped in tradition, Europe offers a myriad of experiences for the budget-conscious traveler. Whether you're a solo backpacker or a family on a tight budget, the dream of a European adventure is within your reach. So buckle up, as we are about to explore Europe without breaking the bank. The first stop on our budget-friendly journey is Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe, with its rich tapestry of history, culture, and stunning landscapes, offers an affordable alternative to its Western counterpart. It's a place where every corner tells a tale, every building has a story, and every meal is a feast for the senses, all at a fraction of the cost you'd expect to pay in other European destinations. Let's start with Poland, a country that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Eastern Europe. From the cobbled streets of Krakow, brimming with Gothic and Renaissance architecture, to the bustling city life of Warsaw, Poland offers a blend of the old and the new. And let's not forget the pierogi, a traditional Polish dumpling that's as flavorful as it is affordable. Next, we have Hungary, home to the iconic Danube River and the stunning city of Budapest. With its thermal baths, ruined bars, and the magnificent Buda Castle, Hungary offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. The country's culinary scene is also something to write home about. Hungarian goulash, anyone? Finally, we venture into Romania. This often overlooked gem is a treasure trove of medieval castles, verdant landscapes, and vibrant cities. Transylvania, with its legendary Dracula's castle, offers a hauntingly beautiful experience, while the capital city of Bucharest is a buzzing metropolis that's as lively as it is affordable. The charm of Eastern Europe lies not just in its affordability, but also in its authenticity. Here, history is not confined to museums or textbooks. It's engraved in the very stones of the cities. The food is not just something you eat, it's something you experience. And the best part? It's all accessible without breaking the bank. Whether you're dining in a cozy Polish eatery, soaking in a Hungarian thermal bath, or exploring a Romanian castle, you're not just spending money, you're investing in experiences, in stories, in memories. Eastern Europe, a haven for the budget traveler, where every penny spent is a memory earned. Next, we venture south to the sun-kissed coasts of the Mediterranean. Our journey takes us first to the stunning shores of Croatia. With its crystal-clear waters, picturesque islands, and ancient walled cities, Croatia offers an enchanting blend of natural beauty and history. But the real charm of Croatia lies in its affordability. Here, you can rent a cozy seaside apartment, dine on fresh seafood, and explore millennia-old ruins, all without breaking the bank. From Croatia, we set sail to Albania, a country that's been off the tourist radar for far too long. Its Riviera, with a string of beautiful beaches along the Ionian Sea, rivals those of its more famous neighbors. But it's not just the beaches that make Albania a hidden gem. Its vibrant cities, brimming with character and history, serve up a feast of experiences. And the best part? You can enjoy all Albania has to offer at a fraction of the cost of other Mediterranean destinations. Finally, we arrive in Greece, a country known for its rich history and beautiful islands. But beyond the popular spots like Santorini and Mykonos, there's a whole other Greece waiting to be discovered. Places like Nafplio, with its Venetian fortresses and picturesque streets, or Thassos, an island of stunning beaches and pine forests, offer an authentic Greek experience without the hefty price tag. Here, you can feast on traditional Greek cuisine, visit ancient archaeological sites, and relax on sun-drenched beaches, all without stretching your budget thin. Plus, the warmth and hospitality of the local people add an extra layer of richness to your travel experience. Whether it's the laid-back charm of Croatia, the undiscovered allure of Albania, or the lesser-known treasures of Greece, the Mediterranean offers a wealth of budget-friendly destinations. Here, you can immerse yourself in diverse cultures, savor delectable cuisines, and bask in stunning landscapes, all while keeping your wallet happy. The Mediterranean's hidden gems, where the sun, sea, and savings meet. Finally, let's head north, where thrifty travel meets stunning landscapes. As we journey into the frost-kissed lands of Northern Europe, we discover that budget travel doesn't mean compromising on experiences. Venture into the Baltic trio, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. These countries, each with their own distinctive character and charm, offer a blend of medieval architecture, unspoiled nature, and rich history. Let's start with Estonia. This northern gem is a paradise for nature lovers, boasting lush forests that cover almost half of the country. The capital, Tallinn, is a fairy tale city with cobblestone streets and a medieval old town that you can explore without breaking the bank. Next, we have Latvia, a country that beautifully marries the old with the new. Riga, its capital, is known for its Art Nouveau architecture and a captivating old town. But step outside the city and you'll find miles of sandy beaches and dense forests waiting to be explored. Last but not least, Lithuania beckons with its unique mix of influences from its Nordic neighbors and Eastern Europe. Vilnius, its capital, is a city of contrasts, with medieval castles sitting comfortably next to modern skyscrapers. And let's not forget the country's stunning countryside, dotted with serene lakes and rolling hills. In these countries, you'll find that your money goes a long way. Accommodation, food, and activities are generally affordable, making them perfect destinations for budget travelers. And let's not forget the warmth and hospitality of the locals, ready to share their culture and traditions with you. But it's not just about the affordability, it's about the experience. The stunning landscapes, the unique cultures, the chance to explore off the beaten path. It's about immersing yourself in a different world, even if just for a little while. So, pack your bags, grab your winter coat, and venture into the thrifty north. Discover a side of Europe that's as rich in experiences as it is gentle on your wallet. Northern Europe, where budget travel is as breathtaking as the Northern Lights. Europe, a continent full of wonders, doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag. With a little planning and a sense of adventure, you can experience its rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes without breaking the bank. Eastern Europe offers an enticing blend of affordability and charm, with its vibrant cities, stunning landscapes, and delectable cuisines. You can immerse yourself in history, art, and music without spending a fortune. Then there's the Mediterranean, a treasure trove of hidden gems. From the sun-kissed beaches to the quaint villages, there's much to explore without splashing out. And let's not forget the thrifty north. Known for its stunning fjords and vibrant cities, it offers a range of budget-friendly experiences. Whether it's exploring the great outdoors or delving into the region's rich culture, you can do it all without denting your wallet. So dream on, budget travelers. Europe awaits, and it's more affordable than you might think.